Tuesday, June 18, 2024. Focus. You therefore must be perfect as your heavenly Father is perfect. Take it in isolation. There is no denying that Jesus' teachings appear overly idealistic. However, their interpretive key to understanding lies in his clarion call to perfection. When Jesus urges us, love your enemies, he is referring neither to the sibling love or the feeling of family members for one another, nor to the passionate desire between spouses, nor to the affection of friends. He is alluding to another Greek term, agape, a love of conscious choice, a commitment to value a person as a member of God's family, one who receives his gifts, whether deserving or otherwise. Jesus himself lived out the Beatitudes. His life was one of perfection all through his public ministry and inexorably even during his passion and death. While walking the winding path to divine perfection may seem daunting, it has an earthly practical feel that Christians who diligently strive to follow gospel norms can identify with and gain from. Indeed, a fair proportion of canonized saints were ordinary people who practiced perfection in daily life. They show that such perfection is attainable by practically anyone, provided they make an honest attempt to attain that standard. Fruit. I will consciously practice the way of perfection called for by Jesus instead of being led astray by the wisdom of the world.